What is up, YouTube? In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to get $50 to your Etsy account completely free, guys. The way this works is I found a website that has Etsy e-gift cards completely free. You enter the code for these e-gift cards into your Etsy account and you get $50 added to your account just like that. But before I show you guys how to get your own code, let me just show you guys that this actually works here. All right, so here I am on Etsy.com here. I'm just going to show you guys how to redeem your gift card code. So you just go to gift cards here from the homepage. And you have to go to redeem your Etsy gift card right here. So select this. And I'm just going to copy in the 15-digit code here. And I'm going to show you guys how to get later on in the video. Just copy this in here, paste it in. Okay, and then just hit redeem. Awesome, so check this out. You can see it says gift card code accepted here, US 50. So this is a $50 gift card, US currency. It says my balance is now $50. And check this out up here. So it just says your credit balance is now $50. So yeah, so you guys can see that this gift code is completely legit here. Okay, so you've seen that the gift card code actually works. Now all that's left is for me to show you how to get your very own gift card code here. And you're just going to need a smartphone to follow along with me here. So I'm just going to turn on my screen record real quick so you can see what I'm doing. And this works on Apple and Android, by the way. So I use an Apple phone. I have tested this on PC. It does not work on PC, so you have to use a smartphone. So I'm just going to go to my browser here, and we're going to enter in primetimecoupons.com. That's PRIMETIMECOUPONS.com. primetimecoupons.com. So I check this site almost every day. There's a lot of game codes on this site, but there's also subscription codes, gift card codes, things like that. So I'm just going to enter in the search bar, Etsy here on the top. There we go. So Etsy gift card vouchers here. So you can see there's 1,400 of these left here. Let's just check this out. Okay, so just scroll down to the bottom. You can see there's $50 e-gift cards here. They also, it looks like they had $100 e-gift cards. I'm not sure how many of these they had, but they are gone. So this video will just be for the $50 e-gift cards here. So I'm going to press show gift card code here. Okay, so the code is still locked. So I'm just going to hit unlock code here. And it just takes a second unlocking the code. Okay. Okay, here we go. Etsy $50 e-gift card. It says your gift card code requires 2 free apps or offers to be unlocked. When all requirements are met, press unlock code to reveal your code. Okay, so if that doesn't make sense, guys, I'm going to explain this all step by step here. So basically, you're going to see 3 apps here, okay? And you only have to complete 2 of them. So basically, you're going to see 3 apps. They might look differently than these. It's because these apps are changing all the time, guys. And these are completely legit apps right from the Play Store or the App Store. For example, Coinmaster, Traveltown, and TikTok. These are all completely like legit apps, right? Like everyone has heard of these apps before. So you can see they have specific instructions as well. So Coinmaster here, it says I've got to get to level 3, Traveltown level 9, and TikTok, I just have to run that for 30 seconds. So, I mean, it doesn't really get much easier than TikTok here. You just have to run it for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to get this one first, TikTok here. Okay, so I'm just going to press tap to install. And if you already have TikTok on your device, I recommend you uninstall it and then you reinstall it from this specific link in order to get it to register. I have had issues in the past, so that's my recommendation. And it's important that you follow the instructions properly because otherwise it will not register and you will not get your code. So I'm going to go back to the Safari here. And for my next one, I might as well just do Traveltown here. So I've got to get to level 9 in this one. So once again, I'm going to press tap to install. And I'm going to hit get for this. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to install Traveltown here from the App Store. So you can see it's downloading. Excellent. So I've got TikTok downloaded, I've got Travel Town downloaded. So I just need to start working to meet the requirements here. So I'm going to open up Travel Town. I've got to get to level 9 in this one. That'll probably take me about 15 minutes to do here. So I'm going to work on this behind the scenes. And when I cut back, I will have completed the requirements for both of these apps. So just hang tight, please. All right, YouTube, I am back here. So as you can see, I've got to level 9 in Travel Town. You can see in the top left corner of the screen here. And this game is actually pretty fun. I was surprised. It's basically just a matching game. You just connect shapes that are similar, and you've got to meet the tasks for these villagers, I guess you'd call them. So yeah, I got to level 9 in this. I'm actually almost level 10. And so now I've actually ran TikTok as well before I started recording again. So basically I made a new account. I made sure I download it from that specific link. I'm not sure if you even have to make an account or not. All it says is you have to run it for 30 seconds, right? So I've ran this for 30 seconds. I got to level 9 in Travel Town. So now all that's left is actually fully unlocking the code here. So I'm going to go back to primetimecoupons.com. I'm going to refresh the page because I've met the requirements. Scroll down, and once again here, so it was a $50 gift card, and I believe that the number was, I think there was like 1,400 left before. So in the 15 minutes that it took me to get to level 9 in Travel Town, actually, yeah, about 30 got used up. So these are going pretty quick. So I'm going to press show gift card code here. So you can see that it's not unlocked yet, but since I met the requirements for both of the apps, when I press unlock code, the full code should be revealed here. So, and if it doesn't show here, it means I just need to do the third app, which is not a big deal. Okay, so here we go, it worked. So this is the 15-digit code here. Literally just copy this code and just paste it into the Etsy store. Just like I showed you guys earlier on the video, just go to your account. You want to go redeem gift card code, copy this in, and you'll see that your balance will go up by $50, just like it did for me earlier on. And that's really all there is for this video, guys. I hope I didn't really take up too much of your time today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And just let me know in the comments how this worked for you guys. Did I explain everything clearly enough? Yeah, and that's really all there is to it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.